Well, happy Saturday, Daily family. It is July 1st and we are about to head to the beach. Grayson, this is his first time going to the beach, so we're really excited about that. Grayson, show them your little swim shorts. Show them your bathing suit.
A boo-boo.
You don't have a boo-boo. Can you show them your shirt? No, not into it. Oh, you want to show them your shirt? And where's your bathing suit? That your bathing suit?
A shoe.
And your shoes. That's right. Your little Vivian shoes.
A shoe.
Yeah, your shoes. Good job. So Pat is packing up the car. Our friends are meeting us here, and then we're all gonna drive together, either in one car or they're just gonna follow us. But yeah, we're all packed up and we're ready to go.
No, I know, but it's all shameful.
Grayson, is this your first time at the beach? With your little Lunchable? Hey! I need you to eat real food before the Oreos. Yummy! It's beautiful today.
What? Watch, if you go like this, it doesn't come out. You have to suck on the side for it to come out.
Pat, look at me. Grayson, look at me. I'm never in any of these because I always get cute little shots of like Grayson and Pat. If your hands weren't all dirty, I'd ask you to get us.
Oh, what?
I know. I said if your hands weren't dirty, I'd ask you to get like shots.
Oh no, it's coming, Greyson.
We came with our couple friends. I want to see if I can get some cute ones of them. I see it.
Whoa. Building a
These are so cute.
I know.
I'll get some of these made up.
Oh, it's gonna be so cute. Avery. Thank you.
This is so cute.
Isn't it crazy that in 1 year, how much bigger he is?
It's coming? Woo-hoo! Are you in your little fort? Are you in your little fort? Do you like your little fort? Yeah? Did mommy make you a good fort? Did mommy make you a good fort? Yeah. So we are back from the beach. We actually had perfect timing because it is like disgusting out now. It's raining and it was thundering. We hit some pretty bad weather on the way back home, but overall the beach day was a complete success. Greyson loved it. He was running around just like in the surf, and he was playing with his shovels and pails and smashing sandcastles, and it was really good. My face got a little red even though I put on Greyson's 50 SPF. Yeah, for some reason that sounded wrong. So I slathered him up like multiple times. Greyson's fine. Pat's back is super, super lobster, but he sprayed his own back. I sprayed my own, but I like got it really, really good. But anyway, we ordered some pizza because it's just, we're being lazy. Even though we had homemade pizza last night, we ordered some Papa John's, and Greyson is just watching some TV in his little fort. He's watching Bubble Guppies. He loves this show. But yeah, I don't know how much footage I ended up getting today at the beach. It was just really super cute. Like, our friend's little girl, Avery, was playing with Greyson, and it was just, I want to do that like more often, even though the beach is kind of a hike to get to and it's a production. I think we actually did pretty decently. I don't think we overpacked really at all. I just packed a lot of snacks that didn't end up getting eaten. But yeah, I want to do that again. That was like really, really fun. I'm really blue for some reason. But yeah, I want to do that again. That was really fun. Do you think? I think it was good. Yeah. So, but the pool is easier. The pool is definitely easier, but
yeah, we're gonna see Phil again.
I feel like just Greyson had such a good time. And that was his first time at the beach. But anyway, we're about to get some pizza, and I am going to end the vlog for today. Hopefully it's not a short one. Tomorrow is just gonna be really low-key. We didn't really have a lot of plans for tomorrow. And then 4th of July, I think we're going to be going over to our friend's house that we went to the beach with today. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later. I hope that you guys have a great night. Bye, Daily family.